Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you. How to add 3D zoom in Capcut PC. We're going to explore an alternative method to achieve the 3D zoom effect on Capcut PC. So, let's jump right into it. The first step is to open your browser and search for remove.bg. This website is fantastic for removing backgrounds from your images. Upload the photo you want to apply the 3D zoom effect to and wait for the magic to happen. Once the background is removed, download the result. Now, you'll have two versions of your photo, one with the background and one without. Import both versions of your photo into Capcut PC. Drag the original photo with the background to the first timeline and the removed background version to the second timeline. Now, let's get into the keyframing magic. On the second timeline, with the removed background, add a keyframe at the initial position. Move to another point in the timeline, add another keyframe, and this time, increase the scale. Now, go to the first timeline, with the original photo, and add a keyframe at the starting point. Move to a point just below the second keyframe on the second timeline, add another keyframe, and lower the scale. Adjust the length of both timelines to match. Let's take a look at how smoothly the 3D zoom effect has come together. You can see the magic happening right before your eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully added the 3D zoom effect in Capcut PC using a manual customization method. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.